Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, April 24th. Let's go ahead and get into our NASDAQ top-down analysis. So starting here on the daily, as you can see, we are still in yesterday's range, but as you can see, we did sweep yesterday's lows. So definitely take note of that. And then dropping into the 4-hour. So yesterday, as we can see, we just stayed inside of this range. But now we are respecting this new day opening gap and 50%. So to me, it looks like price is heading up for previous highs again. And then just to drop into the hourly real quick to see what happened. So yesterday I called out previous week high and 50% as key levels to look for entries. But as you can see, yesterday we didn't quite reach up there. All we did was sweep these highs over here and then made our way back down. So same scenario as yesterday for me. It's going to be waiting for a break and retest of one of these levels, which would just look something like this. So a push up and then a retest showing us that price is holding, or another move higher. And since we already rejected inside this imbalance a few times, then I'm expecting us to invert this imbalance pretty soon, if we can get out of this range here. But that's going to be my main look, just waiting for these levels and seeing if we can get a break and retest for longs. And it's going to be either 50% or previous week high. So I would just set an alert around here, and then once price gets there, just start watching on the smaller time frames. So that is the long scenario. And then the short scenario would be if we sweep any of these highs and then start to show bearish structure on the lower time frames. So if we sweep highs and then we start to make lower lows and lower highs, then that is when we wait for price to get back below and wait for a retest. So just something like this, waiting for a retest or another move lower, and then we just target previous lows as well as all of these key levels. But that's everything on my end today. I hope you guys have a good day and a good weekend, and I will catch you next week.